Mark here again, cooking books and bringing information. So real quick, just want to drop some science real quick before I run. I'm about to head out. So if you understand, right, how your subconscious mind works, it is the only way, and I repeat, it is the only way to alter your behavior. It is the only way to change a behavior pattern, whether that behavior pattern be alcoholism or any kind of vice or habitual behavior that is destructive, and you want to alter it and you want to change it. The only way, and I repeat, the only way to modify that behavior or change, completely transmute that behavior, is to hack into the subconscious mind and to understand that within the subconscious mind lies the paradigmatic problem, because it's a paradigm. The habit or the behavior is a paradigm, and within the subconscious mind lies the paradigm. And the only way, again, to modify, alter, and or transmute that behavior is to hack into the software of the subconscious thinking. Because as I mentioned before, your body, which is mass, which is just a lump of mass that has been solidified, follows the rhythm. It follows the rhythm of your subconscious thinking. That rhythm is a form of vibration. That vibration is energy. That energy is frequencies that are constantly floating around and about us. You can call it aura, chi, but there's a constant streaming of energy that is being flowed or poured into us. And that energy, when it comes into us, it goes through us and then it emits out of us. And that emission of that energy out of us is both visible and invisible. Visible in the sense of your behavior, which is that pattern. And we all have patterns. We all have vices. And again, if it's constructive, there's no need to fix it, right? Why change what is not broken? But if it's a destructive pattern, a destructive behavior, again, I just throw alcoholism out there, but there's millions. There's gazillions of destructive cigarette smoking, which these manufacturers and corporations have intentionally hooked us, so to speak, right? Like a fish hook has hooked us with. Advertisers, it could be, again, vices that are in various forms. Use your imagination. But yeah, so the only way to change a behavior pattern is not to focus on the behavior itself, not going to AA meetings. All that stuff helps. Belonging to groups, support groups, again, all of that stuff helps. But if you don't hack into the software, if you focus only on the external, which is the hardware, the problem, the resultant of, right? If you're focused on the resultant of and not the actual software or the catalyst or the root, then you'll only be temporarily fixing or offering temporary fixes or temporary solutions to a more profound and in-depth problem, which is the actual rewiring, hacking, reconfiguring, transmuting the software, which is your subconscious thinking. And the subconscious mind is very, 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 very powerful. Now, this is easy, and maybe I'm oversimplifying it because it's a very intricate, complex, and tedious task. It's very tedious, very, very tiring, very, that's why I don't believe in trying to change people, because it'll take a lifetime to change yourself. So trying to change someone else, it's, again, So till next time, Mark here. Peace.